Welcome back to the channel, fam. Today we're in one of the western suburbs of Chicago. We're in the city of Elmhurst, and we're here to show you their umbrella installation project. Now there's 3 projects around the city, and we're gonna hit all 3 today. Now Elmhurst is the 6th US city to have the umbrella installation project. So Portugal was the first country that had the installation. Now it's in about what 170 international countries, or 170 international installation. So come with us as we show you guys the various installation around. This one in particular is called the Color of Rain, and it's a very beautiful display. So it's a 3-year project. It was here last year, this year, and I guess maybe next year will be the last year. Maybe. So throughout the period that it's here, they changed the color of the displays.
I think this will change in July.
So yeah, so in July, they're going to change this one. Alright guys, we're at the next installation of the Umbrella Sky project, and this one is called Layers.
Space 2.
Yeah, so definitely, if you come to the city of Elmhurst, they are in close proximity, so you can walk to each of them. I will definitely add the video on the one that I took last year when we came in July, and the color was changed. So I'll definitely add that in this video. So we were just walking through the town, and we saw this ice cream shop. It's called Kilwin's, sweet in every sense since 1947. So we went inside because we saw everyone coming out with ice cream. So, you know, if you're a true Jamaican, there is 3 flavors that we love as true Jamaicans. You have stout, rum and raisin, and grape nut. So I asked them if they have rum and raisin. They said yes. So I'm gonna give it a try.
Can go on.
Definitely a winner in America, but in Jamaica we normally have more rum in the ice cream, a little more rum. So yeah, it's not bad. So if you come to the city of Elmhurst as a Jamaican, you can stop by Kilwin's and get their rum and raisin ice cream. There was another flavor that we tried. What's the name of this one, babe?
Mackinac Island Fudge.
Mackinac Island Fudge. Fudge. So, let's see. So,
out of 10.
Out of 10, I would give this one a 8.5. And the rum and raisin, I'll give it a 8. Yeah, I'll give it a 8. Guys, we finally made it to Portugal. No, just kidding. Last but not least, we are at our favorite of the three installation, and it's the actual umbrella installation project. Yeah, so if you go on Instagram, you know, different platforms, you'll see these umbrellas in Portugal. That's where it was originated from, and it's very famous. If you're in the Chicago area, you can definitely come to Elmhurst and have this experience. So the question is it worth it? Is it worth a day trip from Chicago? Well, about 30 minutes. I definitely think it does. Yeah, it's an experience, you know, to just come and see the three different displays and
Stroll around,
take some photographs,
get some food.
Actually, the city of Elmhurst, it's not bad. The downtown, I like it. It has a vibe. There's a lot of cafes, restaurants, bars, a lot of, you know, little stuff to do. So if you're in the state of Illinois, you can definitely come to the city of Elmhurst. It's the only one in Illinois, so it's definitely something to see. Yeah, it gives you a little feeling of Portugal.